Hey friend, and welcome to this dashboard. I'm going to be working with you, showing you how the system works. Now this is the admin section. Today I'm going to be showing you the student register into the system, logging in and trying to see how we can fulfill the registration. Now we have our database inside around and all those panels done, but now I'm going to be working with you, showing you how the thing is done and again the student viewing. Now I'm looking onto student section and all those stuff. Now this, if your first time to watch this video, don't forget, remember, this Rowa E-learning application, we have this section of ours. We have different programs that we have in this application and train different courses. These are the team members that are actually managing up this application. So you can always go back down here and try to log in and try to put some kind of stuff there and try to send us a message for what you want to learn. Remember, this is a high school application and we happen to train students on our platform, and you have to register in. You just need to go on to register page and click on register, which will take you straight to the registration panel where you have to give the details. Now remember, this is a customized, this is the online version. I'm going to be working with you on offline version as your student to log into the system. Now remember, to log into the system, I customize it to be, you just need to give your name. Like for instance, if I say my name is called, my email is Facebook and my password is Facebook, I'll just use something little, whatever password you give. So I need to go to login. Sorry, I'm trying to say login to that. If there's some time to give my credentials or my authentication, just say agree to the terms, which is just that, and you click that register into the database. Just need to say okay, you can ignore for that. It will definitely take you to the login panel, which will be important to log into the system. So after doing that one, this is the main thing the system will look onto. I will go back down here in the system and try to give my password very well, and then I proceed. So you can say remember me, or you can ignore that. It's upon you. So after doing that, the system should be important to take you to the dashboard of the student section. But remember, there's nothing you'll be important to do. You can't view any video, you can't do anything, see, it tells you books, you say please click here to complete registration. So a student has to complete this panel whether you like it or not. There's no way you can bypass anywhere. Yes, so there's nowhere to go unless after checking that you can click log out. So there's no way you will go. So it has a high security and it has high kind of measures on how to utilize and make students have a fun kind of experiment and all those stuffs. Now let me just click here to do one must fulfill the registration. So here I have to give my full details. Like for instance, let me say Facebook is my first name and my other name is called YouTube, because you guys hope you love this video. Now on the other way around, just go back down here to the first phone number and try to give your phone number as expected. So maybe that's the number I'm going to be using for today's video. And as a student, you need to select a class or the level you're in. So for instance, I'm going to say I'm in P6, senior 3. So that's the case. So after registering that, remember, it's your first time to register. We don't know whether you have the video or whatever. So you just click here to view a save student. So when you click there, so boop, you already received and already recorded into the database. But remember, we don't have video for you yet. Maybe I don't have the video for that given section, so I don't have videos yet. But at the time we shall add the videos, it will be important to view and see the videos on that given section. The system remains within that very page and handles up all those queries and all those measures. Remember, all those stuffs moves together. But if I go to books, I may see some books here. So they are giving me some options of books, little bit of more. Since you're an O-level, we are going to be providing all O-level books. You get? Yes, so if you're an O-level, we're a little bit providing all the access to O-level books. And if at all you're an HSC, we provide you also with definitely all HSC books if possible, whereby you can definitely go to read if you have them. You don't know whether if you have them. If you can click there, you can definitely to be in position to read some of our books. That's what I would say. So if you try to cross check, that's what you have. Now again, on the other way around, to view students' detail, you can just go back to my dashboard here and you view yourself, your details. These are the things we entered with you. when I was registering, and actually down here I'm simply saying thank you for what blah blah. So in this time around, you guys, it is you guys who will comment down on the comment down and let us know what you will want, like in that section, as you the viewer or you the part who will be using the system. So I'm going to put some kind of a message box down here. You guys will be in a position to cross check and check how the system really works. Now before you really registered and have your details in our system by the system admin or whatever, you can actually view books, and the time you upload the videos, definitely shall be seeing here when those videos added successfully. So guys, thanks for watching this video, my friend. If you find it interesting, don't forget to subscribe onto our channel for Rowa E-learning. Now this is a simple part for students section. So you guys, all your videos will be down here. You'll be in position to cross check and see all your video. And if I told you an O level, you'll be in position to get all the O level kind of videos. And if on books, the same applies. Here we are in early senior 3, but I have books for senior 1 because I don't have any books for senior 3, maybe yet for now. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to you can always click on this logout to give you a chance to log out of the system. So that's a simple part for the user section. How about working on smartphone view? How does it respond like? So this is it. Also, you guys with your smartphones, you can definitely use our systems in your smartphone, and you try to study with us, try to learn with us. So we have all those part taken care of. So you guys don't need to worry on whatever things, blah blah like that. So I'll show you in the video. So when I happen to add the books and whatever videos, and I'll show you in the next video on how the system will be working and interact. Thank you.